We're explaining the import error, attempted relative import beyond top-level package error in Django. This frustrating error typically pops up when you try to import modules in a way that Django's structure doesn't allow. Let's break down the problem and its solutions. 1. Understanding Django's project structure. Django projects have a specific directory layout. You have your main project directory, containing settings, URLs, and apps. Each app is its own self-contained unit, with its own models, views, etc. The error occurs when your import statements try to jump across app boundaries or go too far up the directory tree in a way Django's import system doesn't understand. 2. The root of the problem. Relative imports in Python use dots to represent the current directory or parent directories. For instance, from models import my model imports my model from the same directory. But when your app's structure gets complex or you try accessing something outside your app, this can fail in Django because Django needs to handle the imports in a very specific manner to maintain its structure. 3. Common scenarios and fixes. A. Importing across apps. Let's say you have apps named My App and another app. If My App views.py tries from another app models import something, this is generally fine, provided you've installed another app in your installed apps setting in settings.py. If it's not there, add it. B. Incorrect relative imports. The problem often arises from using too many dots. To navigate the directory structure, avoid overly complicated relative imports, especially those trying to go above the app level. C. Using absolute imports. The cleanest solution is often to switch to absolute imports. Instead of relative imports, use the full path from your project's root. For example, instead of from models import my model, determine the app's full name from your project's root and import accordingly, e.g., from my project my app models import my model. This clearly specifies the location of the module. 4. Debugging tips. A. Check installed apps. Make absolutely certain all apps you're importing from are listed in your installed apps setting in settings.py. B. Verify directory structure. Double-check that your directory structure follows Django's conventions. C. Simplify imports. Break down complex imports into simpler steps. If a single import statement is very long, consider refactoring your code for better clarity. D. Print working directory. Use print always get sebi to confirm your Python interpreter is running within the correct directory. Restart your server. Sometimes a simple restart of your development server can clear up temporary issues. 5. Conclusion. This error is largely about clarity and following Django's rules for importing. By switching to absolute imports and carefully managing your app structure and settings, you can avoid this headache in the future. Remember to always check your installed apps setting. That's the most common reason for this